We out here, man.
Yeah.
Fisherman.
Fisherman.
We out here fishing, man.
Yeah.
What's the name of our YouTube channel, bro?
Bigger than fishing.
Bigger than fishing.
Bigger than fishing.
We out here.
All right, guys. I told you this was gonna be a catch, clean, and cook. Real nice bluegill. And then what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and just clean this bluegill. We're gonna scale it, and then we're gonna clean it, and then we're gonna fry it. We got some fries already made right now, but right now we're gonna go ahead and have us a little complete dinner with the fish. All right, guys, so we got the bluegill again, and now we're gonna go ahead and start scaling it. What I scale the bluegill with is with a good spoon. It seems to help me out, so you can probably have your own way, but my way, I do a nice big spoon. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So right now I'm gonna start from the tail, come all the way up on his body, below his stomach, then his head, and then we're gonna do the other side. All right, so here we go. All right, then we're gonna get right here, behind his back, on his fin right here. Gotta make sure we get all of it because we don't want any scales. All right, make sure we get all up in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and get right here. And the reason why you don't want any scales is nasty. I mean, you're gonna be really eating. Who want to eat scaly fish? Just want to eat, basically just want to eat meat, maybe just some skin. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry the skin. So then once we can just move the skin out the way and then we can just eat the meat. And then the reason why I don't fillet these fish because they're kind of small, but on one of these fish today, we're gonna fillet one of these fish. And then make sure you don't get poked by these fins. Look how sharp those fins are. Sharp. So make sure you don't want to get stabbed by one of those things. All right. So basically, just gonna clean both sides. On their chin. You want all of it. You don't scale everything. It's not gonna be that good again. Alright, so basically this one is good. What we want to do now is rinse out this sink. And then you're gonna just rinse the fish off. And then once you rinse the fish off, you can see what spots you missed or what you're gonna go back over. So now, you can just see at first, it had a lot of scales. Now you can just see this straight skin. But right here, I need to get a little bit of drop there. Other than that, just go back over it again. Nothing wrong with double checking yourself. All right. All right, so once we do that process, we're gonna do the same with the other bluegill. And I think this one here might be, oh, I got another big bluegill. We're gonna fillet that bluegill. And then I'm gonna show you that process on how to fillet a bluegill, or you can eat it whole. All right, so we'll be right back. Come here. Finish cooking this off. And then once we cut the head off, I'm gonna go ahead and go from the stomach that's here, and we're gonna go all the way up on the fish. All right, and then from there, we're just gonna take all the guts out. One scoop, and then from there you got a whole clean fish. Then we're gonna clean this out. From here we're gonna put the guts in the bag, and then boom. We're gonna go ahead here and wash this fish up. Alright, once we clean it up pretty good, now we're going to take the fins out. Alright. We're going to take this bottom fin off. Alright, see now that one's gone. Now we're gonna come on this side. Take that one straight off. Now we're gonna then we got this right here with the dangerous fin. Sorry that my hand is angled. Now that fin, there's no fins on here now. What we're gonna do is take the last one off. Just the back last fin. You don't have to take it off, but today we're gonna cut it off. Boom. All right, so right now we're gonna go ahead and start cooking the food here. I've scaled the fish. I took all the fins off. I gutted the fish. And then I have a couple of fillets that I did with the blue. Got 2 eggs in here. And down here, this is my batter. I can't tell you my batter. I might try to sell this in the future. I might have my own little seasoning and shit. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just put the eggs, mix it up some more. And the reason why I got eggs, because I want this batter to stick to my fish. I can't just put this meat here, batter, but let's just try to go ahead and put some eggs in here, put that batter in there and make sure it's just delicious. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put those eggs in there like that. And now from here, we're gonna make sure all the fish get dipped down up in the mix. This might look nasty, but it's not. It's eggs and fish. Good. All right, here we go. So here we go. So we're gonna put the.
Sound like you finna let that pain go.
Make sure it's all dipped up in there. Then we're gonna put it in the batter. And then we're gonna take it down. You see it's in the batter right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix that bad boy all in there. All right, now I got my oil on. It's hot, it's ready. Need a plate. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get some plate. Sir. Alright, now I got that up in there. That boy looking good. Looking good up in there. I gotta make sure I don't want to touch it. Let's try not to touch it with our hands because some of that batter is gonna come out. So I'm gonna use my tongue like I over there. Alright. My hands are kind of a little bit. Oh. There we go. I'm gonna dust it off a little bit. Whew. Throw that bad boy and that all over there. Come on, close over. Look at that. Looking real good. All right, so now we're gonna do that same process fish here,
The rest of that.
and then we'll be right back. All right, what it tastes like? Taste good?
What we doing?
Alright.
I'm trying to try.
Everybody, we got a little the fries for the fish for the guys. Oh yeah, my boy Big Pat right here. Oh yeah. Ooh, put that high. Oh yes. Put the soda. Yeah, my nigga. Yes, sir. We over here, big kicking it, big kicking it, big kicking it. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about, big cow. Yes, sir. My boy John got the little hot sauce. Let me see if we got some ketchup. All right, guys. So we done filleted the fish. We done scaled the fish. We done cooked the fish. Now it's time to eat the fish. So now I just got my meat to the side. Just got my hot sauce dipped in. Got a couple of fries. Only 3 fries. But we was eating the fries while we was cooking. You know how that goes.
A few moments later.
All right. Just wanted to show you the fish was delicious. Because it's all gone. That's why I like fishing for bluegill. They're delicious. But other than that, man, we out. Yes, sir. Deuces, bigger than fishing. See you on my next episode.